Ifeoma's house is sinking, collapsing, flooded in Lagos.
This is actually the back view of the building. Yes, this is the back view of the building. If you notice, the windows are blocked. The house is sinking. These are the windows. This is supposed to be a window, but it's blocked. The house is really sinking. It's actually in a messy state. It's really in a sorry state. This is it. This is supposed to be a window. This is supposed to be a window. But as you can see, the roof, this is the roof. Just look at the distance between the roof and the window. The house is sinking. We are actually going to the rooms. This is the state of the house. So many things were dropped. You had to raise. If you can see under here, a stone. They use blocks to raise the bed.
If you look at it up.
And this is the ceiling. This is the ceiling. A nylon was used to suspend water, to prevent water from entering.
That is their own room.
Okay, these are the kids' room. As you can see, the same thing. The same thing. Still packing water. Still packing water because of the flood, the rain. The rains, mind you, the rains have stopped like 3 to 4 months ago, but they're still packing water. So this is the state of the building. This is the state of the house.
Please, we need your donation. Ifeoma is a widow with 4 young children. Nothing too small. Support Ifeoma from the Widows Empowerment Initiative for Africa. Thank you.
The rods I bought today, the rods I bought today, 25 pieces. I thank God. This is the help of Widow Empowerment Initiative for Africa. They are the one that is making this happen. I thank God for them. I glorify God for what they are doing. This is yesterday's vlog. As you can see, today's own. This is their today's work. The molders have gone. This is what they have molded for people. Okay, this is the one we have cast. Look at them. Once we have cast this thing, they are all 9 numbers. We are casting it today.